I'm just at the bus stop, yes. God, of course I'm not getting the bus. Rose. Do you know how long you're going to be? Jesus, well, could you hurry up? Because I really, really, really do not want to be here. Jesus, okay, I'll wait. Okay, just hurry up. Bye.
When does this bus come in? Hi.
Hi. Hey. Hi.
How are you?
I'm alright, yeah. I saw you earlier, but like, it was a bit awkward, so
Yeah.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I got a new job and moved out with 2 new roommates. So,
Wow. Yeah.
yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Working every day, so
Jesus, a bit much.
yeah, it is a bit.
Presume the other roommates work?
No, they just do the cooking and the cleaning.
Just the cooking and the cleaning?
Yeah.
Can't you do the cooking and the cleaning as well?
Well, I could, but they just do it for me.
You could do it. Don't you think that's a bit lazy?
Well, I guess it is a bit.
Quite unfair, actually.
Well, I guess it is a bit unfair.
This place is a mess.
Yeah, we'll clean it up then. I mean, by the way, I'm going to watch TV now. Put something on.
Come dine with me.
Yeah, I love cooking. Turn it up.
I'd rather 60-minute makeover.
There's the Hampstead up to Peter to read out the results. This could be interesting.
So let's see who's won. In 4th place is Nikki.
Why are you shaking your head at me?
You won, Jane.
Oh my god.
Enjoy the money. I hope it makes you very happy. Dear Lord, what a sad little life, Jane. You ruined my night completely so you could have the money, but I hope now you spend it on getting some lessons in grace and decorum, because you have all the grace of a reversing dump truck without
Turn
any
this
time.
shit off.
Is dinner nearly ready?
Has been for about half an hour. Where's Pidge?
5 minutes late.
Typical. I'm gonna check and see. A beautiful meal. Perfect. Also perfected by me. I learned that back in my home country. Ah, the food we had there, the smells, the spices,
Stop.
the beaches, the barbecues.
You know you can't talk about this. If anyone finds out about the forged documents...
If anyone finds out, no one's going to find out. It's just you, me and Pidge. And we're just in our house. No one's going to walk past, put their ear up against the door and listen in on our conversations. No one can hear us.
Catch up on casualty.
Fine.
God, when is this bus coming? I'm already late and my roommates are going to be so annoyed with me. Wait, don't you live near me?
No, I don't, no.
Yeah, you do. You're just round the corner, aren't you?
Yes, no, I suppose I am, but I'd have to call to see if there's room in the car, because, like, yeah, I'll go do that. Hello again, hi. Yeah. No, I've just bumped into someone. A friend? No, not a friend, no. Yeah, she's wondering if she could get a lift home because her bus didn't turn up. I don't think there's any room in the car, is there? There is. There's a seat in the car. There's a seat in the car. There's a seat in the car. Okay, yeah. I'm assuming you're around the corner, yeah? Okay, we'll be 2 minutes. Thank you, bye-bye. Turns out there's a seat in the car. Just have to go around the block to go get it. Yeah.
Great. Well, you can come round mine for dinner then.
Dinner?
Yeah. It's the least I could do. You're giving me a lift home.
I don't know if I can, you know, like dinner
Oh,
at yours.
come on. You have to.
Oh. Okay, alright, dinner at yours, yeah. Okay, we should go around this way, yeah.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Yeah, ain't getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5.
Right, that's it. I'm gonna have to call Peach.
We slave away all day, cooking and cleaning. She can't even turn up on time.
I'm home.
Where have you been?
Finally!
The bus didn't turn
The
up.
bus didn't turn up. I've had dinner to prepare for.
Well, I'm sorry.
Should be.
Hello, long time no see.
Yeah, excuse us for just 1 second.
What's going on here then?
Who's that bitch?
Do you not have any dining tables?
I thought we lost her in uni.
No
honestly.
chance.
I don't know why
She's
she's rocking
so
up here.
7 days a week and
She's
you
not
don't have
even
any
friends
tables?
with her. We used to complain about her all the time back in the
Right, no,
We just got to be hosts.
Yeah, exactly.
Lovely to see you.
Long time no see.
Too long.
Gosh, I'm trying to think of the last time I saw the pair of you.
Yeah, no.
Debbie's dinner.
Oh, yeah, no.
Debbie's dinner.
I do miss Debbie. She's a lovely lady.
We all do.
Rest in peace.
Terrible accident.
Yeah.
Michael got a lot of money from it though.
Yeah, well, I think he would have robbed his mum.
The most important thing, is it? Not money though.
Well, right. So what are you doing here?
Dinner!
Dinner?
I'm
Oh,
invited over for dinner.
well, I didn't know you were coming, so I might not have made enough.
I'm sure there's enough.
You sure?
Sit down then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just go get the plates and the tea, and you just natter amongst yourselves.
So I'm sitting on the floor, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's been ages, hasn't it?
Too long.
Too long. Last time I saw you was uni halls, really, wasn't it?
Yeah. How are you then?
I'm fine, yeah. How are you?
Great.
Great.
Lovely house.
Yeah. Yeah. What's for dinner?
Stew.
Stew! Ah, voila! Just dig in and help yourself.
It's quite greasy.
Well, you wait until you taste it.
Do you know, this is actually taking me back to uni, the grease.
Oh yeah? What is that?
That nickname you had. What was it?
I had many nicknames in uni.
Greasy. Greaseball.
Oh, I can't remember
Greasy.
that one.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Oh.
You didn't wash your hair for like a week.
Oh, well, I think there was a problem with the water in our dorms.
Texture of this broth is just taking me right back to those days.
It's
yeah.
a stew.
How's your diet?
Oh yeah, your keto diet, I remember that.
Yeah. I actually had to I had to give that up because it just didn't really agree with me. It caused quite a lot of bowel troubles. Quite a lot of issues in the nether regions.
Yep.
Right. Yeah.
Delicious.
As always.
Oh, you know.
What did you say you put in this?
Oh, well, just the usual meat, vegetables, stock.
Potatoes.
Yeah, very special recipe of mine.
It is rather special. Plus slightly burnt.
But, well, maybe slightly overcooked. Burnt's a
Quite
bit of an
burnt.
exaggeration.
Burn.
But, well, just someone didn't tell me when they were coming home.
It's not my fault the bus didn't turn up.
Could have texted or rang me.
Well, my phone died.
So your phone died, did it?
Well, it doesn't matter. You're here all all day, then the least you could do is cook some decent food. for once.
Decent
We have been
food?
working hard all day. It tastes disgusting. I don't know how
Oh, you deal with this food all the time. The second Mr. La-di-da turns up, I promise it freezes. You buy the ingredients for it. A waste of time.
Forged documents.
The what?
You weren't supposed to tell no one.
Wait. What was that about the forged documents? He's from Australia, so we have to find a way to keep him in the country.
Right. Or like legally.
Yeah.
Is that why he hasn't got a job?
Yeah, we had to keep it that way so that he wouldn't get caught.
Lovely dinner.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me round.
No worries.
Yeah. Must do it again sometime.
Definitely, yeah.
No. Yeah. Must do it again.
Yeah. Just don't tell anyone about the documents.
Of course not.
But seriously, don't tell anyone.
Oh my god, you will never guess who I just ran into. I was sat at the bus stop, and guess who was sat there? Pidge, from uni. Yes, I know, it was literally disgusting. Yep, she's the exact same as she was, yeah. I even got invited round for dinner. Yes, dinner. They served me this disgusting broth. I can still taste it in the back of my throat. It's disgusting. Yeah, no, you'll never guess who else was there. Do you remember Greaseball? Oh, I know, he was literally sat there. He gave us this broth and it was, oh, you couldn't make it up. Yeah, they even argued at the end, you know. Something about forged documents. Yeah, he's literally not meant to be in this country. I know. It's really quite sad, yeah. Okay, anyway, I will catch you later. Bye!
Sausage?
I'm sorry for leaving with such short notice, but it hurts me to say I do not belong here, and you can no longer live in fear of me being found. I awoke to this revelation last night and it's played on my mind since then. I hate to leave this life I love, but I will no longer hide who I am. Please, don't stop living your life, and I pray you don't find trouble for hiding me for so long. I wish you the best, and I will treasure all the memories us three made together throughout uni and cooking school. Hopefully one day we shall meet again. Your good friend, Sausage.
I'm home. Where's Sausage?
Gone. Back to Australia.
Why?
Thanks to a little slip up at dinner the other night. He's too scared to say anymore.
You know I never meant to say that.
You did. He's gone.
Where are you going?
With him. I'd rather be there than here. Why don't you go back to dogs? You've changed so much since you met her.
I've really messed up this time. I never meant for any of this to happen. I never meant to say about Sausage's documents. It just popped out in the moment. And now they're gone. Sausage and Mouse have both gone to Australia. And I'm left here.